Hey Fishdom fans, ever been stuck on a tricky level and wished you could just move one tile to save the day? Well, guess what? You can with the glove power up. Today I'll show you how to use it like a pro. So without any delay, let's dive in. First, open Fishdom. Launch the game on your mobile device. Play any level where you need to move a tile to make a match. Select the glove power up. Look at the side of your screen for the hand icon and tap on it to activate the glove. Tap and move a tile. Once activated, tap on any tile you want to move, then drag it to a new spot. Unlike regular moves, this doesn't need to create a match immediately. Use the glove wisely to set up a big combos, clear obstacles or make the final game winning move. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can use glove power up in Fishdom. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.